It's March Madness, y'all. It's time for week 2's giveaway. And we're going to play a game this week. We're going to play with these fancy deck of cards. We're going to let the cards choose how much we're going to contribute to March Madness this week. March Madness Kings and Queens. Here we go. Week 2's on the way. The giveaway is $120. Make sure you follow the descriptions. Click the link for week 2's playlist in the pinned note. This is how I'm going to find out how much we're contributing to March Madness this week. King, Queen, and Jack will each be worth $20. And any number I choose is going to be that number on the card, whether it's 4, 5, or even 8. We're going to add up and we're going to choose 3 times. So whatever card I choose, we're going to add up $20 for King, Queen, and Jack, the number for each number card. I already removed the aces and I removed the joker because we don't have time to joke. We're saving for March Madness, y'all. Now, if you're in it to win it, stay tuned and don't forget to follow the instructions. There are 3 separate giveaways in week 2, and again, you can win as much as $120. So are you in it to win it? So Legacy Builders, this is Transfer Tuesday. I'm kind of late coming out with this video, but I wanted to let you guys know that if you're not following me on IG, please check the description box for my IG handle. Today, my husband and I decided to buy a little bit into ExxonMobil because it's on sale. So we had $15.52 available in our brokerage cash. So we're going to put $15 towards ExxonMobil today. And my husband did his separately, but this is our joint account. So let's do this. $15 to buy ExxonMobil today. That's less than a share, of course, but because Robinhood gives us the opportunity to buy fractional shares, we're on top of our game, and we already had 1 share. This stock pays dividends, so we're increasing our portfolio bit by bit. Happy Transfer Tuesday, y'all.